In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record owner contributions in QuickBooks Online. If you're a business owner using QuickBooks Online, navigating through the system can sometimes be a bit daunting, but recording owner contributions is an essential part of keeping precise financial records. So let's walk through how you can do this seamlessly. We begin by heading to the top left corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. Here, you'll find the New button. Go ahead and click on it. This action will unveil a drop-down or menu where you can see a variety of routine tasks and transactions you can initiate. From this menu, select Bank Deposit. Think of this as the way you'd inform the system, "Hey, I've got funds I'm adding to the business." Next, you'll need to choose the account where this deposit will land. This step is crucial because it ensures that the money is landing exactly where it's supposed to within your financial records. So go ahead, click on that, and pick the proper account. Now, let's talk about the source of these funds. We're dealing with owner contributions here, right? In QuickBooks, you will find or need to create an account specifically for this. It's usually termed shareholder contributions. If you're setting this up for the first time, don't worry, it's simple. Click Add to begin. Once you're setting up a new account for owner contributions, there are a few important details you'll need to fill in to ensure everything is categorized correctly. Set the account type to Equity, and specifically, for the detail type, choose Owner's Equity. This setup is vital, as it distinguishes the owner's personal contributions from operational revenue or other types of transactions. After that's done, and you've verified all those details, hit Save. Saving these settings ensures that QuickBooks recognizes your new account, ready for any current or future contributions. Now, let's get back to allocating our deposit. Return to the deposit setup, and once again, select this newly created account, Shareholder Contributions, as the account from where your deposit will originate. This selection tells the system that this financial inflow is a direct contribution from an owner. Enter the amount you're contributing to your business. Precision matters here, so double-check your figures. Alongside the amount, fill in any other pertinent details that QuickBooks requests. This information will include things like the date and any notes that may help clarify the nature of the transaction for you or anyone else reviewing your books. With everything inputted correctly, simply click Save. And that's it. QuickBooks will now have recorded your owner contribution, reflecting it properly within your financial documents. It's a straightforward process once you become familiar with these steps, and it's an essential part of maintaining a transparent financial image of your business.